up, my gang, and welcome back to my channel. Now, before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get notified each and every time I post more videos on the way. So today's video is going to be a part of Vlogmas, and I am going to be showing you how to make a Christmas sweater using your embroidery machine. So basically, all you're going to need is the sweater of your choice, some adhesive spray, some scissors, thread, and tearaway stabilizer. So you want to tear your sweater inside out and put the stabilizer wherever you want your design. So mine is on the front side. You really don't need that much spray or stabilizer. It just depends on how big your design is. I really just be overdoing it. But yeah, after you do that, you could just turn it back inside out. Not inside, whatever. Turn it back the right way and then put your hoop on and then put it on the machine. I'm going to show you how to do all that. Okay, so with this design, I'm kind of stepping out of the box because usually when I use green sweaters, I only use black or white thread. But this design has brown, red, blue, and white. So hopefully it comes out nice. I mean, green and red is basically the Christmas color. So I feel like it'll be okay. But yeah, we'll see. I'm about to put my brown or tannish, whatever color that is, in there. And we'll be back in 4 minutes. This design is 34 minutes long. Okay, so this is the finished gingerbread part of the design. Next, I only have the letters and then the snow. So I'm about to start. Now I'm on my last color. This one is only 10 minutes, so let's hope. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not trying to jinx myself. Design. I'm just gonna cut off all the extra thread. Okay, so once you're done with the front, you just want to turn it inside out. Take all the stabilizer off. And then cut the extra thread. So this is the finished design, and I think it came out pretty great. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.